doing?
She's eating it off of my shirt.
She's eating what? Maya, Maya, what are you doing? What are you eating, Maya? You just want some of his ice cream, huh? You getting any, baby?
Right, you're tackling me.
Is that good? Hold on a video. Is that good? Get off, Jalen. Jalen, what is she doing?
She's taking away my ice cream.
Oh, what a good brother you are to share. Mama, is that good? Maya. Maya, what are you eating? Maya.
Ice cream. The ice cream.
You guys are cute.
Baby.